Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are about unchanged overnight. Two factors that the markets has to deal with today. Number one is weather. We expect heavy rains to move across the Midwest over the next, let's say, 2 to 3 days. And it's interesting in that the models are different. The European model is dry next week, while the American model has more rain next week. So I think the key to Monday's trade will be which model is correct. Wet weather would probably be bullish, especially corn and wheat, while dry weather would be bearish. As far as the corn planting progress, somewhere maybe between 32 and 34% done. That's pretty close to average, and it's still behind a year ago. So this is a pretty critical forecast for the corn market. The other thing is the deliveries. They were heavier than expected. Now, on one hand, there's an old saying in the Board of Trade that you're supposed to buy heavy deliveries. But what it's saying is, from a cash standpoint, the futures are not converging to a little weaker cash prices. And so commercials put corn, beans, wheat, meal, and oil out for delivery. And so we'll see if the markets react to that. So I think that in looking at the markets, the bean market continues to be close to a price in which we could either trade higher if there's demand, or we could trade lower if we have good weather. In the corn market and wheat market is near some of the seasonal lows, and with the funds record short, you kind of question whether they can hold that position through all the weather uncertainties over the next couple of months. Outside markets, we continue to see the U.S. stock market trading higher. The dollar has been drifting lower. Crude oil has been trading lower. And gold seems to be topping out. So the market's going to be watching pretty closely on what happens in Washington and some of the tension in the world to get direction in those markets. But for the most part, a lot of people think with interest rates low, stock market should go up. With so much crude oil production and stocks in the U.S., crude oil will be under pressure. The uncertainty of the world might offer some support to the gold market, and the dollar, Washington keeps talking it lower. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.